Hello and thank you for considering Philmont Christian Academy for your family. Philmont has been in operation as a Christian school for Christian families for more than 75 years. My name is Phil Van Veldhuizen, and I'm the admissions director here. I'm also a Philmont alumni. My wife is too, and she's a current math teacher here at Philmont in the high school. We are also Philmont parents. So as you can see, the Lord has blessed us through Philmont in so many ways. Philmont's goal is to partner with parents by providing an excellent academic education from a consistent Christian worldview. What does that mean? Well, practically, that means we are a Christian school first and foremost. Christianity is the core of our program. Our teachers are committed Christians, dedicated to infusing Christian faith and practice into the curriculum. Our teachers are such a blessing and one of the best parts of our school. They are godly role models, praying with and for the students on a regular basis, while providing strong academics in a safe and loving environment. We also expect at least one parent in every Philmont family to be a professing Christian. In fact, as part of the application process, we request a reference from the home church of our applicant parents. As this is the beginning of our virtual tour, please, let me show you around. If you're looking for information on a particular section or grade, be sure to use the correct playlist and skip ahead as desired. You can always come back later. If you find your way through the tour and you still have questions that need answered, make sure you send me an email, admissions@phil-mont.com, as you see here on the screen. Now come on, there's lots of things to take a look at, so let's get started on your virtual tour of Philmont Christian Academy.